Hey guys, my name is Isaac and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this lemon tree on its way to becoming a bonsai. Now, the reason I like lemon trees for bonsai or to experiment with them is they're super easy to take care of. You can grow them from seed. This guy is 3 years old, grown from seed. I just use seeds from a normal lemon that we bought at the grocery store and make lemon juice from. So I just planted those seeds, got way too many trees, threw most of them away, but kept one. Or actually I've given one away and this one I've kept because I don't want to have a ton of them. They're not that nice for bonsai, but I think you can still make something cool out of them. It's a great tree to practice on. So if you guys are wondering how much or how fast these trees grow, all this grows. So this one here and this one, they're all from this last season. So basically this was the tree, this left side was the tree before the summer, and these long shoots grew in the summer. So if I would plant it in a little bit of a bigger pot and put it outside in the summer again, it could probably grow another bit, however long that is, like 30 centimeters almost. So yeah, let me start styling this guy. I'm gonna trim it down quite a bit because I want to keep it nice and small. I don't want to create something crazy big out of it. So let me do the work on this guy, let me trim it, and then I'll show you guys what it turns into. So that's it. I just cut back these long shoots. I actually tried to wire one of them, but it snapped, so these trees are really brittle. But that's fine. I'm gonna go with this style now, and so the next step here is to just put it outside over the summer and then pinch back the new shoots as they come. So you guys saw the long shoots that it made last summer. We don't want that. Now we want to just let like 2 or 3 leaves grow on a shoot and then pinch it back. And that's going to help to create better ramification or to create more smaller branches so that it looks like an older tree with lots of branches. So it's probably going to take next summer and then 1 or 2 more summers before I can actually pot this guy into a bonsai pot and display it somewhere. So I think it's a fun project. It's going to be cool to just have something that's easy to take care of, and you can just pretty much put them anywhere in your house in the winter time because they don't really do much in the winter, so that's cool. Now let me show you guys what this guy looks like from close up. So this is what it looks like from close up. You can see where I removed one of the big branches and covered the wound. Now this little pad on the right side here, I might end up cutting off eventually, but I'm going to leave it for now to just really thicken the trunk. So this would be the front of the tree from this side, and I'm kind of going for like a windswept look here, kind of more of a literati style. So something that's a little bit longer and thin and has some very gentle movement in the trunk. So I hope this inspires you guys to try lemon trees for bonsai. They're super easy to take care of. They're easy to start from seed, and I would just encourage anybody who's interested in bonsai to give them a try. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.